Hello everyone, welcome back to my IELTS writing class. If you are preparing for IELTS writing task 2, then this lesson is extremely important for you. Many students work hard on vocabulary and grammar but still fail to score band 7 or above because they do not understand essay type clearly. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on essay type 2 and I will explain every slide slowly and clearly. So keep watching till the end and keep a notebook ready. Now let's move to the next slide. The heading says, what will you learn in this lesson? The slide clearly mentions essay type 2, what is your opinion? This means the examiner wants to know your personal viewpoint, not both sides equally. The slides say you will understand this essay type step by step in clear and practical way. That is exactly what we are doing. Then it lists what you will learn. What this essay type actually means, how to understand the question correctly, why many students misinterpret this task, how IELTS examiner evaluate opinion essays, and what examiner expect in a high band answer. So, this lesson is not only about writing, it is also about thinking like an examiner. You will also learn how to structure your essay properly, including introduction, body paragraph with main arguments, supporting ideas and examples, clear opinion development, and conclusion. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to write in each paragraph and what mistake to avoid. Now look at this slide carefully. The heading says, what is essay type 2 and what is your opinion? This slide clearly explains the purpose of this essay type. It says, in this essay type, the examiners want to test your personal viewpoint. In this very important, here you are required to clearly state your opinion, support it with strong reasons, explain ideas in details, give relevant examples, then come to the most important warning. You do not need to discuss both sides equally. Many students make this mistake and because of that they lose marks. You must choose one clear position and support it strongly throughout the essay. So remember, this is a not discussion essay, this is a clear opinion essay. Now let's understand how this essay appears in the exam. These slides show different question wordings. What is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Even though the wording changes, the task requirement is always the same. You must clearly state your opinion, choose one clear position, support your opinion with reason and examples. Do not sit in the middle. The slide also gives you confidence. Do not panic when you see these questions. Focus on what the question is asking, not the exact words. As long as you give a clear opinion, explain your reason in details, support ideas with examples, and you are answering the question correctly. Now look at the structure side. To achieve a high band score, follow this simple and effective 4-paragraph structure. First is the introduction. Introduce the topic clearly, paraphrase the question, clearly state your opinion, and the second, body paragraph 1, main argument. Present your strongest reason, explain the idea in details, support it with a relevant example. Now third is a body paragraph 2, additional support. Present another reasons, explain why it is important and give an example or result. Finally, conclusion, opinion plus summary. Restate your opinion clearly, summarize your main reason briefly. If you follow this structure, you already close to band 7. Now this slide focuses on the introduction. A strong introduction clearly shows your opinion. and sets the direction of your essay. Your introduction should introduce the topic clearly, paraphrase the question, clearly state your opinion, and not explain idea in details. Then you see a self-introduction format. This format is a very examiner friendly. It clearly shows the topic, your opinion, and what the essay will explain. This is why the slides sound formal and academic, clearly show your opinion, and avoid unnecessary details. Tell the examiner what the essay will focus on. Always remember one thing: a weak introduction equal to weak first impression. Now we move to body paragraph 1. In this paragraph, you focus on your strongest reason. Your aim is to explain and justify your opinion, not to discuss the opposite side. The safe paragraph structures help you introduce the main point, explain it clearly, show the result, and support it with an examples. Now, important rules: do not discuss the opposite view, do not change your opinion, and one paragraph equal to one clear main idea. Always support ideas with explanation and examples. This paragraph carries a lot of marks, so be clear and detailed. This paragraph adds more strength to your opinion. Here, give your another strong reason supporting the same opinion. You explain the idea again, show benefit or results, and give an examples. Here important rules is: do not introduce a new opinion, do not discuss the opposite view, and keep ideas connected to your main opinion. Use formal linking words, and this paragraph show depth in your thinking. Now look at the conclusion slide. The conclusion should summarize your main ideas, clearly restate your opinion, and not introduce new ideas. The safe conclusion structures help you end confidently. The slide also explains why this works. Restate your opinion clearly, summarize argument briefly, and sound confident and academic. Leave a strong final impression. Important reminder: keep the conclusion short, do not add examples, and do not change your opinion. This is a very important slide. Avoid these mistakes. First, not stating your opinion clearly. Changing opinion in your body paragraph. Discuss both slides. Give reasons without explanation. Not using examples. Using informal languages. And weak conclusion. Do not use this type of mistakes. Avoid all the mistakes. Then come the final reminder. Choose one clear position and support it consistently. Explain idea clearly and stay focused on your opinion. Avoiding these mistakes can easily help you move from band 6 to band 7+. Now look at this slide. These are band 7+ writing tips, and they clearly tell what examiners want. To achieve band 7 or higher, you must discuss both views equally and fairly. Explain each idea clearly with reason or examples. Use formal linking words. Give one clear opinion and follow a clear paragraph structure. The most important line here is: good vocabulary alone is not enough. Examiner rewards like organization, clarity, task response. So always remember for this formula, structure plus clarity is equal to higher band. Now let's understand examiner expectations. IELTS examiner check your essay using 4 criteria. First is a task response. In your opinion clear? Is it your consistent throughout the essays? Now second, coherence and cohesion. Our ideas are logical, organized. Does each paragraph focus on one clear idea? Now third, lexical ratios. Is vocabulary natural and appropriate, not memorized? Fourth, grammatical range and accuracy. Are sentences mostly error-free? Is the meaning always clear? If you balance all four, then plus 7 is possible. Now look at the question on the screen. IELTS Writing Task 2. Some people believe that social media has a negative impact on society. Others think it has made life better. What is your opinion? Now listen carefully. I am reading the introduction exactly as written. Introduction. There is a view that social media affects society in a negative way. In my opinion, I strongly believe that social media has made life better overall. This essay will explain my opinion using clear reasons and relevant examples. This introduction paraphrases the topic, clearly state your opinion, and tells the examiner what they will ask. Now, I will read body paragraph 1. Out of all reasons related to social media, the principal argument supporting my opinion is that is improve communication. This is because people can stay connected with family and friends instantly, regardless of distance. Furthermore, social media allows users to share information quickly, which helps people stay informed. For example, individuals can communicate through messages, the video call without the need of physical travel. This paragraph focuses on the main idea, explain it clearly, and gives a relevant examples. Now I will continue reading the essay. Body paragraph 2. Also, social media creates opportunities for education and business growth. In other words, people can access learning materials, online courses, and professional network easily. Besides this, many businesses use social media platforms to promote their products and reach global customers. For instance, small companies can advertise online without spending large amount of money. These paragraphs add more support to the same opinion. This opinion does not change. Now the conclusion is, to conclude, there are several reasons related to social media, and the argument discussed above clearly support the opinion that social media has made life better. Although there are some disadvantages, the benefit of improved communication and opportunities are far more significant. This conclusion reset the opinion, summarize the main idea, and add no new examples. This is a band 7 to 8 level opinion essay. Now, this brings us to end of the lesson. Remember, success in IELTS writing does not come from memorizing essays. It's come from understanding the question, following the correct structure, and explaining ideas clearly. In the next video, we will move to type 3. What is your opinion? Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for this next video.